Hi, welcome back to Cornell Farms. My name's Juan. I'm a student of herbalism, and today we're in the kitchen garden. We're going to be talking about rosemary. Rosemary, also known as Rosmarinus officinalis, is a perennial evergreen herb in the Lamiaceae family, which is the mint family. It's a cousin of lemon balm, lavender, oregano, and thyme. Rosemary is commonly known as a culinary herb and an ornamental decorative herb, but today we're going to talk about it as a medicinal and therapeutic herb. The therapeutic benefits of rosemary are extensive, and I would consider it a one-stop shop for medicinal and culinary uses. Rosmarinus comes from Latin, which means dew of the sea, because rosemary would commonly grow in coastal regions and it was exposed to a lot of humidity in the air. Part of the reason why rosemary has developed the ability to be so antifungal and antibacterial is because of the high humidity, as areas that are close to beaches tend to have high fungal growth. So part of the natural defense mechanism of the plant is to produce essential oils that help to combat it from being infected and catching diseases. So it's a really great source of essential oils that really help to clean the microbiome of the gut and the skin and the hair. Rosemary is rich in a compound called carnosic acid, which has been shown to be neuroprotective. This is partially what gives rosemary its attribute of being a memory and brain herb. Carnosic acid has also been shown to help heal nerve damage and to help restart hair follicle growth for people who are dealing with hair follicle issues. So this is part of the reason rosemary has been used for so long as a hair herb also. Rosmanol and rosmarinic acid are two compounds that have been shown to be highly antioxidative and anti-cancerous, and they scavenge free radicals in the body, which are a leading cause of many health issues in the world. Rosemary also contains camphor, which many other plants in the mint family contain, and that's responsible for giving it this kind of cooling, minty, peppery smell. It's been used for aromatherapy for people who are restless. It's been used for people's sleep. It's commonly used in baths. And one of the significant things about rosemary is that it's one of the richest essential oil containing plants in the Lamiaceae family. So if anyone's looking to infuse an oil or to make an extract or to make an essential oil, rosemary is a great beginner herb. So if you're ever going to harvest some rosemary or you want to get the best oil content out of your plant, you're going to want to harvest it on the darkest time of the day or the coldest time of the year, because that's when the plant is going to be producing the most oils. One of the great things about rosemary is that its compounds are all water soluble, fat soluble, alcohol soluble, and vinegar soluble, which means it's the perfect herb to use in any way you can think of. You can make a tea out of it, dried or fresh. You can tincture it dried or fresh. You can use it in a vinegar, in an infused vinegar, or you can use it in an infused oil like an olive oil, and it's excellent all of the ways. Essential oil of rosemary can be extracted via steam distillation, which is also commonly the way that we use it with cooking. If you ever steam vegetables, it's the perfect herb to throw on top of some veggies that you're steaming, because the essential oils will infuse inside of the pot or pressure cooker that you're using. If you want to utilize rosemary the most effectively for its essential oil content, it's best to use it fresh and not dried, because as soon as you pick the plant, a lot of those oils are going to fly away. Rosemary is one of our favorite herbs here at Cornell Farms, and we have a really great selection of many different cultivars as well as many other medicinal herbs. So come on down. Thanks for watching.